I get a lot of questions about how I apply my natural lashes. I mean my natural lashes. Oh my god, my fake lashes. I haven't worn a full lash strip in years. It's not comfortable. I don't like the way it looks. I feel like it looks too heavy. Ever since I started doing my lashes this way, I just prefer it and I haven't gone back. A full lash strip can be so uncomfortable sometimes. You know when it's like poking your inner corner and it like bugs you all day and it's just poking you all day? If you do your lashes the way I'm doing them right now, you won't ever have that problem ever again, and I'll show you why. I cut my lashes, okay? I use lash strips. This is half of a lash strip, okay? Or maybe like 2/3 of a lash strip. So I cut off the last third of my lash strip, so I end up with this little mini lash, okay? And then let me put some glue on it. I like to use tapered lashes, by the way, so the lashes that are shorter in the front, in the inner corner, and then they taper out and get longer towards the outer corner of the eye. I like to use those. And remember, you always cut off the end, not the front of the lash strip. You always cut off the last third of the lash strip so that you can keep the shorter end. It's gonna help the lash strip blend better with your natural lashes. So I always apply the lashes to the outer portion of my eye. So from like the middle of my eye is where the lash strip starts and it goes out to the outer corner. So this whole like inner half of my eyelid or lash line has no lash strip on it, okay? And see, obviously it's not blended yet, but I just set it down. I placed it where I want it. Sometimes you might have to move it around a little just to make sure that it blends with your lashes. Can you see that? So the lash strip starts like in the middle of my eye right here, and then it just goes out and there's nothing in the inner corner. Then I take these like lash tweezers. Mine are a little dirty. And you want to do this after you've got your lash strip placed where you want it, like exactly where you want it. And then I just take these tweezers and I squeeze the lash strip down to my natural lashes. Can you see? I'm just squeezing it and that's how it looks. Can you see? See how like natural that looks? And then this is the lash from the front. So have lashes on this eye, no lashes on this eye. Super comfortable. I feel like it looks way more natural. I love how it's like tapered. It gives me that like cat eye look. Just the best way to apply lashes.